They are provide free domain and website integration and 24 hours. They have three plan: premium, business, and cloud startup. You use premium plan, you will add three website on this hosting and 20 GB storage for your file SSD here. And you will premium benefit, you will get free domain for 1 year. Use AI website builder and you enjoy WordPress site maintain for their popular most popular business plan. Only $3.29 and you will get plus cloud startup. Everything free SSL, free storage, free domain. Everything you will get if you choose cloud startup. This price $7.49 for every month. And I will check their service. So agency hosting price is different. Agency hosting price. So this is agency web hosting. You can take this.